Here I have INFINIX Hot 40 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly, let's remove this case. Then you take this kind of tool. You will need it to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So what you do, you just insert this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, slot will pop out, and you can eject it with your bare hands. So now we insert SD card here, SIM card here, and then put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately shows me notification that SD card detected. So yeah, which proves that SD card found. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.